Last preparations before departure.
Okay, so let's start the solo van life. Not so fast. Things didn't actually go so smoothly. This was the day before. We were driving to the airport when it started snowing. So, should we bet on it?
I say I'm not going anywhere tonight. Anywhere.
Super delay.
Start of a solo van life, female, barefoot driving and getting stuck videos. Oh.
Jump. Okay, so this is the situation. It's 8 p.m. and Gasper just went to the airport. He's flying to Slovenia to visit his family, and most of the flights were already like canceled or delayed, but 5 of the flights are still on and his is one of them. So we don't know what to do. He's just going inside and we'll see what happens. And I am going to a close by casino, not to go in, but just to sleep over until this storm dies down. So yeah, this is the start of solo van life. Maybe I get called back. We'll see. I'm now driving towards the stupid snow and I can't see anything. Fuck. Okay, like, are you seeing this? Like, this is ridiculous. I can't see the road. I can't see where the lines are. I'm going 30 on a Toronto highway. Okay guys, don't stop. We have to keep driving. It's crazy. I can't see the fucking exit. Shit. Oh no, something's going on. Okay, at this point, I'm just looking for a parking lot and that's it because I can't be driving anywhere. Okay, this is crazy. Okay, I found a spot. I'm at the casino. It's called Woodbine, I think. I almost got stuck there for a moment behind those trucks because I had to stop. My heart was racing so much. So I am now here safely parked and I most likely cannot drive back to the airport even if Gasper's flight get cancelled or delayed. So he might have to sleep at the airport, but we'll see. Okay, it is now about an hour later. I'm hiding behind the van because here it's like not so windy and snowy. So there's the casino. Yo!
Hi.
What's up?
Vi som shortchest security.
Aha, pali Shakaron.
Shakar za en katona.
Oh.
Odklenaš na nobeno poličarko nešto podobno.
Aha, okay.
Ne vem.
Okay, I guess his flight is still on and I'm staying here, so all good for now. So this is my view right now and then I'll show you in the morning. And look who's here.
So much for solo van lifing.
I just can't be alone for a day, I guess. Quickly, what happened?
We got delayed and we were waiting and now we got 3 flights and now we're actually leaving. Booyah!
That was super fast.
There was snow and now there's no more snow.
I mean, there's still snow.
I think I pretty much included everything.
Yeah, you summed it up really nicely. Okay, so let's try again and get this guy in Europe. To Europe.
Let's fly away! Last preparations before departure.
Okay, so let's start the solo van life finally. With the dog, of course. First things first, dog has to go out for a longer walk, so I decided to go to a provincial park. So why we get the Ontario Provincial Park annual pass every year since we started van life. So if you have an annual day pass, you can just go to any park any day of the year, if they're open obviously, and spend the day there, get water in the summer, throw the trash away. They usually have showers in the summer as well. You can dump your toilet. What else? Lots of trails, hiking, dog parks, swimming in the lakes or ponds or whatever. And it just gives you a nice place to hang around for the day if you have nowhere else to go. Would you like to say anything? Okay, can you guess where I am now? I am going to the gym. Do I stay here, do a workout but not shower? Or just leave? Okay, I decided to stay and do a workout and shower in the van and never come back here again. I always walk my dog before going to the gym, so I get there warmed up already. But I like to do some stretches anyway to prepare my body for the workout. My hips and shoulders usually get the most attention. I don't have a set routine, but there are some of the stretches I do very often, like walkouts, lunges, cat to cow, spinal twists, and shifting the knees side to side to loosen up the hips. And now I'm ready for a workout. Sometimes I follow a plan, but currently I just listen to my body and perform the workouts that feel good on that particular day. Since I've been walking around the Provincial Park most of the day, I was drawn to upper body exercises. My go-tos are Arnold press, front raise, and bicep curls. I also like to add in some core exercises like sit-ups or leg raises. Then I found a pull-up bar and did some of those. My goal is to perform 5 unbroken, and I'm currently at 3. In the end, I like to practice handstands. As you can see, I still have a long way to go. Okay, I'm all done. It's a nice gym, but I wouldn't come back. Like the shower thing, and they don't have any weightlifting platforms. That's a deal breaker for me. Like, I want to be able to throw some weights on the floor. Okay, so I'm back from the gym. I decided against going to Walmart because I'm just so tired. I don't want to drive around. I only slept 2 hours yesterday because of the whole thing with the storm and Gasper's flight. He came back to the van at like 5 in the morning. So yeah, I'm also not gonna shower in the van. I'm alone today, so I'm just gonna use the wet wipes. And that's it from me today. First day of solo van life is done. I'm going to bed. Thank you for watching. Bye. I can't see if it's filming.